Look at what just arrived. Forest River Cardinal Luxury Edition. The model number is 3700. This, folks, has a full exterior body paint, 2 power awnings, which I only have out slightly because it's super windy all of a sudden. Paint follows through over here. Outside TV within that slide out. 3 more slides over here. Look at the storage. Look at it! There's a good look at the wet bay. Hydraulic automatic leveling system. It is prepped for a generator. Look at this beautiful fiberglass front cap. Frameless windows throughout. Solid steps. Take a look at that TV. Let's go in. We can live in this thing. Maybe in North Florida, maybe. No wind in here. All right, spring-loaded steps. Take a look at this, folks. Kitchen and dining area. But all right, so this is your front living room. This sofa converts into a bed. Windows throughout. Huge TV. Fireplace throws out some heat. Stereo. You can even dim the lights. There's a dimmer right here. Now this sofa converts into a bed. Lots of space here for sleeping. We got theater seats that are massaging, and they're also lit. Manually operated for full relaxation recline. Down the steps to your kitchen. Look at the size of this fridge. No wonder it smells so good in here. Gloria has detailed it. That's a telltale sign that she has gotten her hands on this unit and completely detailed it for the lot. Back here, and this door, ta-da! You got yourself a nice half bath with a super tall ceiling and fan. Dude, I forgot to show you. Right here. Central vacuum system. Lots of storage. All right, going towards the back, the raised rear master bedroom. Absolutely, you will get yourself a free king-size mattress. Looks like the previous owners liked their mattress so much that they decided to keep it. We got TV number 3. Huge closet right here. Ginormica. All right, and all the way out back, the huge master bathroom, sorry. We got dual sinks, dual mirrors. We have a one-piece fiberglass shower with a skylight and a very well-placed fan. That is a porcelain toilet, storage all over. Check this out, folks. Splendid washer and dryer. You can live in this thing. Okay, folks, if you are looking to go camping in ultimate luxury, a fifth wheel that's nice and easy to haul, look no further. Give us a call, book your appointment. We will get this opened up and lit up for you, and we'll get it ready to show. 80 Common Street, Moncton, New Brunswick. See you soon.